Where the land pass me with?
Okay. You know say una be dey doubt me before. Mona see am o. Una dey watch me abi? I tell you na say na my leg be the majority tape. You understand? It start from here o. Show una dey see am. Okay. You dey see am abi? Yes. As you so.
This man.
Now where the land reach for inside?
Okay.
Now make I hold this stone now. Anywhere when I throw reach, now there your land reach. Hey! They watch am, they watch am.
Funny people.
You see where the stone reach, abi?
For that place there.
Now there your land reach.
Watch and cup of tea. Funny people. Watch and cup of tea.
Smile. Make yourself try to pay your money complete so that when you want pack, everybody go still contribute for you. I go pay.
Brothers, hello. Unbelievable. That's your wife, brother. Where they prison since. They don't release them. Wait, never finish. As a matter of fact, I don't even go show her your house.
Wait. Now you the release, calm down. I'm a mother go house.
Una never pay me for land, though.
This is plain.
Is there nobody in this house? May the blessing of the Lord rest upon this household and his family. 70 years old man. My lovely sister, yeah. I miss you.
Don't tell me I don't release you.
It is a testimony.
Welcome.
I miss you to stupor.
Who be this lady? Now your wife be this.
Excuse me, please, wait first. From a very reliable source, I got an information that you have become a bone in the neck of Brasolo, my brother-in-law. It is uncalled for. The man is a selfless man. He helped me while I was in prison. Now I'm an ex-convict. I said no. Anything that will make that man be a distress, I don't mind. Clean it off and pay the penalty of going back to the prison. So listen and listen very carefully, my sister. I brought this lady here. Turn around. Turn around for her. Yes. Because you have monopolized Brasolo, it is done in an unknown place. So now I brought her to compete with you. By the power vested in me, you are going to take care of my brother. And if anything happens, you are going to send an undertaking.
Hey! Brother, I never still understand. You mean say you bring wife for Solo, my husband?
You have heard it from the horse's mouth.
I tell you, say I not fit take care of my husband.
And that is your problem.
So you will be my brother. We're supposed to support me. We're supposed to help me. You bring wife for my husband, Abi?
My sister, you are a virus. I'm going to become your antidote. Take care of her.
No wahala. Fine girl. Welcome. Don't worry, I will take it. This is your bag, Abi. Brother, don't worry. No, our wife.
Take care of this very woman.
Why not? Take care of her. Now me, you want to play?
May God not allow them make them kill you.
See, and you enjoy my husband.
Hello? Alpha, no worry, I'll get back to you. I don't need time now. Come meet me for lunch. Yeah. Hello? My friend, open this door. Hey, Jesus Christ. Open this door. Get me. My brother, you are welcome.
We must learn a lesson.
In-law. My lovely in-law. I don't know what has come over my sister. I brought a wife to you.
No, break the door.
Because she's monopolizing. I said no, you are a good man to me. So I brought a second wife for you. Just molesting her inside.
Hey, my brother, I will send you. I thought I don't need you.
No.
I thought I don't need second wife.
No.
My brother, they try to ask question before you ask now.
We do a handicap.
Masolo, I never knew that you guys were ungrateful human beings. I leave it to yourself.
You!